Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Felix Yeboah, your instructor. Please, if this is the first time of you accessing my channel, kindly subscribe, hit on the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the bell so that anytime I post any new video, you'll be among the first group to get alert of the video. You get a first taste of the cake. All right. So I decided to make um, a recorded version of myself in this session, okay, because I want us to discuss the assignment that was given out in our previous video. All right, so we'll go through the assignment and the question that was given to us. We discuss it, then we discuss the way forward too. All right, so not taking much of your time, I'll go through my report. Okay, per the assignment that was given, I'll go through my report, then we discuss. All right, so if you want to reference, I'll advise you reference our video, the video that we did concerning understanding system analysis. Okay, either the tree or the English version, you can just access it, then you get the trail from that end to this video. All right, so I'll go through the assignment. So the assignment question was this: um, PHP shopping mall has requested for an attendance system to manage her staff. As a system analyst of your company, write a report on the task being requested for. And not forgetting, your report should cover all the areas of system analysis organizations below. That is understanding the current system, analyze the current system's limitations, identify the current system's related problems, identify the impact of the current system on the organization and end users, define the scope of the new system, and choose a preferred SDLC model. Okay, so our report supposed to be should be captured around these points. All right. So presenting my own, I've listed my own here. So I'll read them to you one after the other. So if, as I said, if you're not following what we are doing right now, it will be advisable for you to visit our previous video concerning understanding system analysis. Okay. All right. So for per the assignment that was given and my report that I've generated, okay, I have the case study to be PHP shopping attendance system or PHP shop attendance system. That is the case study. All right, the case study is attendance system. So I choose the PHP shop attendance system. All right, so analyzing the current system, all right, trying to understand the current system. I visited some shops around my area, okay, and I gathered all the problems that I was able to come across or identified in the shops and projected it for the PHP shopping mall. All right, so I did visit one of the malls in Accra. Yeah, so I observed one or two things, and I just gathered them together. So what I realized was the PHP shopping mall, as a question presented, needs a system to manage. So it means they don't have a system that they are running. The system that they are running is manual system. All right, it's manual system, so everything is done manually. So I realized when you go, as part of the limitations of the manual system, so when you go, you pen down the time that you came to your office. Okay, so you pen it down. So probably, let's say Akosia Mansa, you arrived at 8:15. Okay, so the 8:15 could be that the reporting time is 8. You came 8:15. It could be that you arrived at 8:20 or 8:30, but you can write 8:15 or 8:05. Nobody monitors that one. The HR will come and pick the attendance book and just record what is in there. You get it? Plan around that one. Okay, so that was the major limitation that I observed at the shop. Okay, at the shop. Okay, so I realized that as the attendance time not being in real time, staff also dodge the attendance. Okay, so A staff who normally comes to work late, very, very late, can decide not to even pen the attendance down. Do you get it? Then he won't even record the attendance, the time he came to the office, which is bad. So with a manual system, these are limitations that I came across. That is my report I'm presenting. Okay. So I said your report should be submitted to my email. That is felix@gmail.com. So if you also have your own, you can also write it down and mail it to my inbox. All right. Okay. So concerning concerning the related problems, so I came across this thing. What I realized was, um with the attitude of staff and with the attitude, the nature of the system, the HR might get misinformed because today staff are not, they are not recording correct attendance in the book. Some are not even recording the attendance for assessment. Do you get it? Some are not even recording it. So at the end of the day, HR data will not be authentic because of those lapses in the attendance keeping. Then secondly, the staff cheats the company. Do you get it? Because during salaries, when the company pays per time, mm, when the company pays per time, it will mean that there will be, the staff will be cheating the company because there will be the staff might come late but record the attendance as he or she came earlier than um, the time recorded. Okay, so in that sense, the staff cheats the company. All right, so these are the related problems that I captured. Okay, so the impact of the current system on the organization. So the current system poses negative, impact on the organization when it comes to their finances. Do you get it? When it comes to the organization's finances, the current system that they are using poses a negative, impact due to the manual system they are running. All right. So in a global sense, the shopping mall needs an entire management system. Okay, and they are running everything manually. So the impact on the manual operations in a company is catastrophe. Do you get it? A lot of revenue will be just taken off. It will just fly away. Do you get it? Yes. So that is the impact that I recorded. I recorded on the current system. Concerning the current system on the organization. So the scope of the new system that I am going to develop for the company. That's a PH of shopping mall. Generally, as I said, the system is supposed to be a shop management system globally, a shopping mall management system to manage the accounts, the inventory, the sales, the staff, and HR, everything. Do you get it? It's supposed to be the entire management system. But for the sake of our assignment, mm, our focus is going to be on the attendance model. All right, so that is the scope. So we have the global scope and we have the focus point, the local scope. Let me put it that way. So we have the global scope and we have the local scope. If you have a global, it means if you have local. That's what I'm saying. So you have the global scope to be the entire management system for the shopping mall. Then um, in my own terms, the local scope to also to be the attendance model. So it's model by model, model by model. Then we get the entire shop management system. Okay. So due to the 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 scope that we are dealing with, the attendance model scope, my preferred SDLC systems software development life cycle model that I want to use. I think I want to use the incremental model. So as explained in the previous video, um, in the understanding system analysis, we understood that the incremental model, tackles the issue model by model. Do you get it? So it breaks the entire system into boxes. Then it solves the box bit by bit until it completes the entire box. Do you get it? Good. So we use the divide and conquer approach. So we divide the issue into submodels, then we solve the models. Mind you, every model also comes up to as a functional model which can be used. So the attendance model is a functional unit that can be used as and when we add features to it, then we box all of them up to become the entire project. That's a shop management system. So these are the things that I recorded in my report. Okay, so I don't know of yours, so I'll still entreat you all to also discuss. Like you can follow this discussion, which I think it will give you a fair idea to also do correct some parts of your report and then submit it to my inbox. That is felixyanyeboa@gmail.com. Okay, all right. So if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment box. Then I'll assess it, respond to it accordingly. Okay, then we move on. All right. So thank you once again for joining me through to this point. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. There's a red button down there called caption subscribe. Click on it. All right, then there's a bell that will come. Kindly hit on the bell too for me, okay, so that the family will grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, so that we can serve you good. Thank you once again for being part of the family. See you in the next video. Shalom.